the wee hours of the morning on 8th October 2018, police party on night duty while patrolling found one person moving suspiciously on the main road near Atithi Resorts, BOGMALO. On being interrogated, the said person tried to give evasive replies and suddenly started running away. PSI Suraj Khandkonkar along with PC driver Sunil Marshekar chased the said person and apprehended him. On questioning, he disclosed his name as Ramchand Bail, native of Tamil Nadu, age 28 years. The said person was brought at Vasco police station and he was found in possession of foreign currency worth rupees 1,30,000 and a mobile phone. On interrogation, he disclosed for having stolen it from 4 houses. The said accused person has been arrested in a housebreaking theft case and also for stealing a mobile phone from other places. Right now he is in police custody for 4 days. That's all.